Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Immigration Canada. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about Canada sees 48% drop in study visa issuance, 1 lakh fewer permits issued. In 2024, Canada experienced a dramatic 48% decline in study visa issuance, granting only 267,890 permits, around 100,000 fewer than the official target. This video follows the federal cap on international student intake aimed at curbing temporary resident numbers. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Canada's foreign student enrollment cap has taken a big hit. Canada issued slightly less than 268,000 new study permits in 2024, which is much less than the target established for the first year of the country's cap on new overseas students. According to data submitted to ICEF Monitor by IRCC, the total number of new study permits awarded in 2024 was 267,890, a minus 48% decrease from 2023 levels, and approximately 100,000 study permits less than the official IRCC target. The full-year data for 2024 are now available, and they reveal that the government has significantly exceeded its target for the year. In January 2024, Canada's Immigration Ministry announced a 2-year limit on new study permits awarded to international students. The declared goal of the program at the time was to achieve a 35% reduction in the number of new study permits issued in 2024 compared to 2023 levels. This essentially established a target of 364,000 authorized study permits for the year, excluding extensions and renewals. But in 2024, Canada ended with a 48% decrease from 2023 levels and approximately 100,000 study permits less than the official IRCC target. Canadian institutions across the country are reporting significant declines in foreign enrollment, typically ranging from minus 30% to minus 50%, with the full effect of this decline not yet clear, reports ICEF Monitor. Meanwhile, Canadian universities and colleges have experienced 8,580 job losses to date, with approximately 60% of these losses being attributed to public colleges in Ontario. Reasons why foreign students are avoiding Canada. The number of new study permit applications processed decreased by 32% due to the enrollment cap limits and a shift in student demand away from Canada. This could be due to concerns about obtaining a study permit under the cap, post-study work rights, and increased financial requirements. The declining enrollment pattern is also observed in cap-exempt program areas like master's and doctoral studies. The other reason could be approval rates of study permit applications. In 2024, the approval rate for new study permits significantly decreased from 59.8% in 2023 to 48%, resulting in over half of all applicants being rejected, a significant factor in the year. Going as per plan. The cap, initially set for 2024 and 2025, was extended into 2026 by Immigration Minister Mark Miller, with cap limits set at minus 10% below 2024 levels. Canada's Strategic Immigration Plan for 2025 to 2027 outlines specific targets for temporary residents, including international students and temporary foreign workers, for the first time. The IRCC plan aims to decrease the proportion of temporary residents in Canada to 5% by 2026. The share of the temporary residents population, which reached 7.35% in late 2024, modestly declined to 7.12% by April 2025, still exceeding the 5% target. Canada's Prime Minister Mark Carney stated that the country will continue to work towards its 5% target, with a goal to achieve it by the end of 2027. As the cap extends into 2026, Canadian institutions face ongoing enrollment and financial challenges. With stricter visa policies and reduced approval rates, the long-term impact on Canada's global education appeal remains uncertain. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Canada sees 48% drop in a study visa issuance, 1 lakh fewer permit issued. Canada's international student enrollment dropped sharply in 2024 due to the government new cap on study permits. Only 2,67,890 new permits were issued, a 48% decline from 2023, and nearly 1 lakh below the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada target of 3,64,000. KPM4 is 35 reduction, but the actual drop surpassed extinctions. As a result, colleges and universities reported enrollment declines of 30% to 50%, leading to 8,580 jobs versus 60% in Ontario Public College. 32% drop in processed applications reflected shifting demand, concern over stricter visa approval, which fell to 48% from 59.8% in 2023. Tougher financial requirements and uncertainty about post-study work rights. Even CAPE exam programs such as master's and doctoral degrees saw declines. The cap extended to 2026 is a part of Canada's immigration strategy aiming to reduce the temporary resident share to 5% by 2027. As of April 2025, that share will still 7.12%, down slightly from 7.35% in late 2024.